Hey everybody, I am here at Executive Outdoor Adventures. The Andy Anderson invited me up, and man, I am just enjoying it. I'm actually out here just helping out today, and I'm telling you, this is a pretty cool place if you haven't been out here. The lodge, it's impressive. I'll get some videos a little bit later, but it's a very impressive. If you have the opportunity to come out, it's pretty cool. Their operation is cool. Well, they're fast and furious. Their choppers are in and out, and getting the customers onto the game. So far, from what I've seen this morning, they're enjoying themselves. So, pretty cool stuff. So, you need to get out here. If you haven't been out here, you need to get out here. So I've been getting to watch him the whole operation. Two choppers going, two crews, and taking care of two customers on each one for 8 customers. And so it's been a turn and burn thing. They land, swap them out, load up, and go. It's a unique operation, and I tell you what, it's clear that there's a lot of people that are excited and to have the opportunity to be able to do this. So it's pretty cool. So they've been getting off the chopper, sitting. I think one of them yelled out, or was it Andy? I'm not sure if Andy was making up the numbers, but I heard 70 off the last flight. So that's pretty cool. So and that was just hogs. We're not even talking about the coyotes who've been shooting as well. So pretty cool operation. So I'm stoked. It's pretty neat to come and hang out and see what the other members of the Texas Hawk Hunter Association are doing. So by the way, I think everybody wants to see what the different operators are doing. You don't get a chance to see this all the time. So some of you that are wanting to go hunting, you want to know who to go with, and here's an opportunity to be able to see how quickly how good and how awesome they run these operations. Also, boy, accommodations. Let me tell you, you're going to see some pictures and videos if you haven't already. As far as the lodge out here, man, it is awesome, and they have their own cook. They have their own cook, and he can cook. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Executive Outdoor Adventures. I highly recommend it. You haven't been out here with Andy. Definitely a nice place. Well, guys, I just got back from a cool trip today. Just going out and checking Executive Outdoor Adventures with Andy Anderson, and got to hang out with some of his people there and his customers, and it was really cool. So highly recommend it. You know, some of the video footage I cut some extra. The actual shooting video was from some other videos that he had. So I just wanted you to see what they actually saw. I wasn't able to get a hold of video footage from the guys when they actually did the shoot. But they got about 150 hogs, about 60, roughly, coyotes, and one bobcat. So they had a pretty good time. Some people would say, why are you even doing a review on these guys? You know what? You're all competitors. Look, we all belong to the same association. And sometimes, you know what? I have customers I can't take care of, and and you want somebody to be able to recommend them to. So that's a courtesy I want to do for somebody, and it's a courtesy that I hope somebody does for me as well. And there's a lot of other outfitters on with the association, the Texas Hawk Hunter Association, by the way, that highly recommend that you go check them out, go see them. Everyone offers something different. Some of you guys aren't going to want to do a helicopter hunt because you can't justify shooting a hog on a helicopter, right? Or with thermal with me. But just remember this: you're not going to shoot a hog. Yeah, you're going to shoot one, right? You're going to make the attempt. But if you just want to shoot a hog, then that's a different experience that you want. If you want an experience, if you want an adventure, and that's why they call it an adventure, Executive Outdoor Adventures, you want something unique, something that you'll always remember, okay? Flying by the seat of your pants on a fast-moving helicopter, with fast-moving critters on the ground, and a weapon that, it's going to pump out the ammo downrange as fast as you can pull the trigger. So that's exciting. That's what you're paying for. That's the cool thing about all these different opportunities. Same thing when you go out thermal hunting with us. It's something different. You're going to be out in the middle of the pitch black of night. It's going to be scary for some. But what you get to see that so many other people don't get to see, it's pretty cool. It's pretty exciting. So, and even if you just want to go to a stand and hunt a stand, like Piney Wood, they're a new one that I just started seeing. They look pretty cool, So, and they invite you to bring all kinds of things to their place. So there's some cool outfitters out there, okay, scattered throughout the state. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of them. Go look for, go build yourself a memory with somebody, and don't focus on it's just shooting a hog. It's about the experience. It's about the memories. It's about the fun times that we have with each other, and always being able to remember that, okay? So hunting is about creating stories. It's not just about killing something. It's about creating a story, being able to come back and share that story. So I hope you look at it that way, okay? And I hope you're doing that with your friends and your family, and it's about creating the memories, okay? So take a look at which one you want to go with. Jump on it. Just showed you one that's just downright cool. And I was having a hard time just keeping up loading the magazines for Andy, getting him back into the chopper and get going. It was cool. That's it. Happy hog hunting. Happy memories.